Hello everyone. Today we are going to Australian mango farms to see how they cultivate and harvest this fruit. With a large farming area, the farms here usually harvest about 40,000 tonnes of mangoes per year. Late spring is the best time when farmers here start planting new mango trees. Steel wire is used to help the mango trees grow stably without any tilting. The time from planting mango trees to harvesting on these farms is usually about 2 to 3 years. Early summer is the time when mango trees here bloom, and it takes about 105 more days to start the harvesting process. These mangoes are already ready for harvest. Depending on the height of the mango tree, the farmers here will use different harvesting methods. Would you like to go to a large mango farm like this and pick ripe mangoes yourself?